And then to adjust your colors on the fan, you have 3 different luminescent options, and it's just a matter of turning the fan on and turning back off again. Sorry for the flashing lights. And that's how you switch between your lights. And the different functions on the remote. You can turn your beeping sound off. That's going to be your fan, and then you're going to have your fan on and off, all off, light on and off, and then your different options here. So we'll go with the light on and get the fan going to get it cool in here. And that is the new LED ceiling fan installed, 3 blades running. Alright, so the fan has been installed. You have your all off, you have your light on and off button. You have for your fan, you can do forward or reverse. That's going to be in reverse. Let that stop. Depending on if it's hot or cold, depending if you want to raise the hot air or blow the hot air down. There's your forward.